In this video, I will show how to log in Microsoft Word on mobile device. So click on Word. If you have not this application, so open Play Store and download. Once you download and install, open this Microsoft Word application. And here the option sign in or sign up. You can sign in using your email, phone or Skype name. So enter your email address. Enter the password. And also you can use this option send code. Now open your mail address where you will get the code. Then click on sign in. So this way you can log in your Microsoft Word account on mobile device. Thanks for watching.